Maruti Suzuki India has issued a recall for 11,177 units of the Grand Vitara compact SUV over faulty seatbelt mountings. The car maker suspects a possible defect in rear seatbelt mounting brackets, which might impact in the long run. The company said that the recall only affects Grand Vitara SUVs which were manufactured between August 8, 2022 and November 15, 2023. Not strapping of rear seatbelts in a motor vehicle has been a punishable offence, and after the demise of Cyrus Mistry in a horrific car accident where he didn't strap on the seatbelts, quite a few states like Delhi and Maharashtra have stressed on its usage. The tethering of the seatbelts is designed to keep the occupants hooked to the seat in case of collision and even if the car turns turtle. And do you know, the World Health Organization last year emphasized how wearing a seatbelt eliminates 75% of the risk of injury to the rear passenger.